I just wanted to get some skills and figure out what I want to do, and I want to do this kind of work. Whether it's like state parks, Cal Fire, Caltrans. I know there's a lot of like different career options through the Seas, and you try out one, you work with one agency, you find that you like it and you want to pursue it. Doing this meaningful work, like doing little legacy projects, you can go back, bring your kids, grandkids, and be like, look, this is what we did. The whole crew, the crew dynamics, like people just want to make you better. All the consubs, the C2s, they want to push you in. Other jobs, they don't push you, they just want to like hit a quota. People care, really care about you here. Yeah, there's a lot of different like job skills you learn here. Tree felling, like cutting big trees. That's what I like doing. And I don't know, maybe joining a tree service crew for a bit or working with Cal Fire seems appealing. So, yeah, it's really nice, to be honest. The whole day we're just working.